Guys, I'm walking in this side. Wala, ito pala yung pinaka-center ng ano guys, city. Too much walking. I'm looking for KFC but I cannot find. I don't know. Kasi di ba wala namang name ng KFC dito kaya hindi ko mahanap. I'm searching for Google but 1 minute I cannot find. I'm only walking this side guys. Ano ata to yung Arbat sa Arbat. Yung pinaka-center ng City of Almaty here. So I'm too much walking. I reach in this place. Pag uwi ko mamaya mag-google na naman loading nyo. Naghanap ako ng KFC kasi alam nyo bakit? Kasi I will take the food tomorrow because I'm planning to go to another district, to the mountain. 1 hour for taxi. So I will take taxi tomorrow after breakfast. And then I will come back 5 o'clock siguro guys. 5 or 4 o'clock I will coming back home to my place.